Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your controller not connecting to your Xbox Series X. So I'm using the Xbox Elite controller, and you can easily reset or resync the controller. So if you go up to the controller right now, we want to go ahead and just reset it. So here's the sync button. If we hold this down for about 15 seconds, this is going to reset the controller. So I'm going to hold it down right now. And my controller is going to rumble, and then it's going to turn off. But if we just hold it down for like 4 or 5 seconds, you'll notice the light is blinking. That's an indication it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So my controller just vibrated, and it turned off. So now with my controller reset, we want to go to the front of the Xbox, and then try resyncing it. So here's my Xbox Series X, and what I want to do is turn off my Xbox as well, and then completely turn it off and unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute. Maybe there's some issue with that. So just hold down the power button right here and make sure your Xbox is completely turned off, and then flip it around and unplug it from the wall outlet. So just remove this cable right here and let it sit for at least 1 minute. Then you can plug it back in, turn it around, and then turn on your Xbox. So I'm going to turn on right here, and then we're going to sync up the controller. So that's reset. The controller is going to be reset now. So now what we want to do is turn on our controller. So I'm going to turn this on. Then I'm going to locate the sync button on the Xbox Series X, and then the controller right here, and hold both these down at the same time. So I'm going to hold them down. The lights are going to begin to blink, and then it should be connected. So hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds, then you can let go, and the two lights should now be synced and not blinking. So if that doesn't sync up, repeat the process there. Just keep holding down the button. If you hold it down too long on the controller is once again going to reset. So you can't hold it down more than like 10 seconds. Otherwise, the controller is going to shut off and reset. But you can always grab a phone cable just like this, plug it into the front of the Xbox, and then plug the other end into your controller. So this is plugged in. Plug this side in, and then you're going to feel it rumble just a little bit, and then press the Xbox button, and your controller should be synced up now with your console. And then you can unplug this right here. Boom, boom. Unplugged. Toss this to the side, and you can now use it wirelessly with your Xbox Series X. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you all. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.